Okay, so we're back in a project. The last thing I wanted to show you is you can assign materials to a structure. So this could be brick and this could be tiles, for instance. And you'll see this information here telling you about things. So when you click on something, it'll tell you what's happening. If you want to add materials, again, you have to be in families. So if you double click on here, you go back to the actual family itself. So you can see I've just got the roof. And now if I click on here, in this little information here, you can get materials by category. Now if you click just to the side of the word category, you get this little 3 dots. So if you then click on those 3 dots, you get this. So this is now a materials library. If you then add the library, show hide the library tree. If you look at the library tree, you can start to look at what we've got. So in here we've got some materials. That's very awkward to read. It always has been. You can make this a little bit bigger and stretch things so you can get more, but it still takes a bit of stretching to see these. If you're going for flooring, ceilings, masonry, stone, so you can look for different things. So if you look under tiles for roof, you can get different types of tiles. These look like more, they are kind of kitchen tiles. If you look at stone, you've got different stone you could put in to the side. Let's see where the roof things are, roofing. And then you click this little thing and adds it to the top. Click that one to get into here. And then go into roofing. It's added roofing into here. If you want to look here now at realistic, you can see what it's added for the roof feature. Okay, so I want to show you how to adding materials onto a surface. This can make your buildings look nicer for things like renders, but you can also have properties as well. So let me just show you. This is the roof family. So we can just see this. It's the roof. If I click onto here, you end up with some information here. So in properties, these are the 2 properties here, you end up with material, and that will probably start off saying none. If I click on that just at the side, you get information here where you can change it. So you can change to different things. These are things I've maybe had before. Yours may be thinner than this. If you click on this here, it shows or hides a library. So again, just clicking that, you should be able to see here. Click on this home button, you get materials. Now yours may be really closed up on here. You might have to expand this. Sometimes you open it up and it's like this and you can hardly see. If you go down here, you can see all different things you could look for. So if I go for miscellaneous, I think it is, for what I'd want. Again, you have to have a look through these and look through all these and see what there is. There's all sorts of stuff on the miscellaneous, and you can get all sorts of things. But roofing slate, so if we said roofing slate, you have to press this little button here to add to the document. So click it up and it appears here. Click on that and press apply. Okay. And then this here now will have an appearance. So if we go into here and go for realistic, you can now see you've got this view, and it's moved off realistic, so it's realistic. So now you can see you've got this slate. Now, because if you've been doing this, you want to put this back into the project, In the past I've shown you how to go to a project and load in a family. You can also load any family into the project, so load into project. If you've got more than one project open, it will ask you which project. Always put override the existing version and its parameter values. I'll tell you more about parameters in the future. So click on that one, and then now within your actual project, if you went into realistic view now, you'll be able to have just wait for it to catch up. There are a tile roof, but it's still just a grey. So what you could do is you would go into here, double click on there into the family, and then for that one choose brick. So if you went into here in a minute, you'll be able to see here and go to, so you've got to select this, materials, click in here, and then in here in the materials and get masonry. Let's do this. Two ways of doing it. Masonry, brick. Push that up. You can't just press OK, otherwise it doesn't work. I'm going to try here, see if it worked. Realistic. So you've got brick here. Load it into project. So if you've got more than one project, it'll say where do you want to go. That one. Press OK. Overwrite parameters. Wait for it to update, and then you could have this where you've got a house you can see that looks a bit more like I want it to look. Of course, you also have a chimney on if you're doing exercise 1.